Mike Innovative Door, our first one. We're not a huge fan of the jack shaft opener, but sometimes when you got no headroom whatsoever and the opener is jammed up in the drywall like that, you just gotta put it in. This is the new one. It's got the battery right under here, right there, and I love the way they redid the wiring on this. So the wiring's all, you don't have to like jam it all in there, and then the cover goes nice. 18 by 8. Got the little power lock there. Goes up nice and smooth. It's an 18 by 8 door. We just put a new bottom rubber on there too. There it is. The 8500W Wi-Fi jack shaft door opener for all your door needs. Innovative Door for openers, jack shaft openers, whatever you want. We got you covered. 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our video. Visit us online. And as always, we encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.